Welcome to our channel where we simplify every step of your online learning journey, starting with verifying your Varsity Tutors account. Welcome to our channel where we simplify every step of your online learning journey, starting with verifying your Varsity Tutors account. If you want to unlock the full potential of your tutoring experience, verifying your account is the essential first step. I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure it's easy and fast. First, open your preferred browser and go to the official Varsity Tutors website. Once there, log in using your registered email address and password. Next, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option in the top right corner under your profile icon. Inside the account settings, look for the verification section. This is where you will begin the verification process. The system will prompt you to enter additional information for security purposes, such as your phone number or a government-issued ID. Follow the instructions carefully and upload any required documents if requested. After submitting your verification info, you might receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder so you don't miss it. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your verification. Once done, your Varsity Tutors account will be officially verified, and you'll have access to all features, including booking lessons and communicating seamlessly with tutors. Remember that verifying your account helps protect your personal data and creates a safe environment for everyone using the platform. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it only takes a few minutes. So don't hesitate, get your account verified today to start enjoying everything Varsity Tutors has to offer. Lastly, remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials on navigating online platforms effectively.